Hello, my PC students. This is another part of your if statements videos, but it's working with 3D formulas. And basically what that means is that you're grouping your sheets and you're making all the amounts fill into more than one sheet, just like you learned in the previous video on the multiple sheets. So I want you to go to File, Open, and go to Browse, and now I want you to go to your Classes Drive. So go to your Classes Drive, go to PC, and go to Teaching Docs, and go to If Statements. And I see XX33 bread sales is right here at the top, so left double click on it. Alright, and the first thing we want to do is go File, Save As. So let's go File, Save As, go to Browse, and we want to go to your folder. Okay, so I'm going to go to my name, Printcom, Excel, If Statements. And I'm going to click in the file name box, press Home, type in my name and the current date, whatever it is for you. Alright, and save it. Okay, now on this one here, let's look at July. Okay, we see we have sales filled in here. August, we have sales filled in here. September, we have sales. And then on quarter 3, we don't have anything. We've got blanks. All right, I'm just going to see if I can put this up a little bit larger. I'll try. So I'm going to say 140. No, too big. Okay, I'll try 120, and maybe I'll have to come back. Okay, I think I can work with that. All right, that'll be good. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to pick up the values from July, pick up the values from August, pick up the values from September, and put them all into quarter 3. All right, now when we look at the formulas here, all this is values. Values for coupons, values for ingredients, values for labor, and then it said net profit. Now here, take a look. What they did is they said, maybe I should do it this way, it'll be easier for you. They said take your sales, C13, minus your coupons, minus your ingredients, and minus your labor. All right, that's one way of doing it. It's kind of a long way. Here, if you'd put in equals C13 minus the sum of your 3 coupons, that would make more sense. So you take your sales minus all your expenses, D13 to F13. All right, so both formulas are there so that you can see it. If you go to August, you will see values, 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 and then you see the same formula, and then I put the other formula in that's more efficient for you to see. And then the same in September. I have all the values, 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 and then you have your formula and the same formula. All right, so now I'm going to go back to the Q3 sheet, okay? All right, so on the Q3 sheet, I want you to click in cell C13. Now, how do you know you're in cell C13? You check your name box, right? And I want you to put in equals sum and open your parentheses. All right, now we want to sum. We want to go to the July worksheet and we want to click in cell C13 because that's what we want to add. All right, now we also want to add August and September. So hold down your Shift key and click on August and September. And now take your fingers off. You group those 3 sheets, okay, so that you're going to pick up all the values from there. So what I want you to do now is, and note up here how it says the sum of July to September, C13. All right, press enter. And you should have got $237,455. Now, here's the beauty of this. All we have to do is drag this down, okay, to C28. And then we drag it to the right because you're adding all the cells. Now you see how our net profit changed. They're both the same because the same 2 different formulas, but they're the same answers because they give you the same answers. So that was very easy for you to transfer the amounts. All right, now let's look at your formulas here. And if I open this up, do you see that you have sum, July to September, C13, C14, C15. Now this is the sum of July to September, D13. Sum of July to September, E13. And of course this will be F13. So very nicely how you calculated those sheets. All right, so what I want you to do is click on your Q3 sheet again and go Control S to save. And I'll turn your formulas off for right now. Okay, we don't need dollar signs all the way down, so consequently you could right click on here, go to Format Cells, and say Accounting, and you want no dollar sign, and we still want 0 decimal places. All right, so there you've got your dollar sign at the beginning of your column, and you got your dollar signs at your total, and that's what you want. Now, on the other ones, if I selected July, hold down my Shift key, and I say to you, I want to go to, oh, hold on here. Wait, I want to go to July. Okay, wait till I take my values off here so that you can see, and I've got my values off there and here. Okay, so now I'm on July. I'm going to hold down my Shift key, and I'm going to select this. Oh, I don't want to select that. I want to select from here down to here. All right, I'm going to right click, go to Format Cells, and I'm going to say Accounting, and I want 0 decimal places and no dollar sign. So I've taken it out, and right away I'm going to click on Q3. Now check July, no dollar signs, August, September. Now I should have done all of these, but seeing as how I didn't, I will just use my Format Painter, and no, I'll paint yellow. I don't want to do that. So I am going to do it this way. I'm going to right click, Format Cells, and choose Accounting, and put in 0 decimal places and no dollar sign. Okay, so I have my dollar signs at the beginning, at the totals, and that's it. Now, I'm not going to go and do any more of that. If I have time at the end, I'll come back and do it, but I'm on a time limit here, so I'm not going to do anything more there for dollar signs. You know how to fix that up. All right, so now this next part, I want to be on Q3, and I'm on Q3. All right, what we're going to do is we need to pick up values from here, and we also want to take some values to here. So we're going to look at 2 views of the same spreadsheet, okay? 2 views. So watch here. We're going to go to View, and this is the first time you've done this, okay? We're going to go to View, and we want to say, we want to go to New Window. Okay, so now take a look. You see 33 bread sales 2, and at this point you don't see anything else, but just wait and I'll show you. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to View, and I want you to click on Arrange All. Okay, and it will say to you, what do you want, how do you want to arrange the windows, okay? I want to, now, I can put on horizontal so that they'll be one above the other. Vertical would be side by side. Cascade is kind of like they're falling down. But we want the windows of the active workbook only, so that you don't see the fact that I have Google open and I have Word open and other things I have open. So we're going to tile them, arrange them horizontally, and we say Windows of the active workbook only. So click on OK. And now you should see here, you should see 33 bread sales 1, which means view number 1. If I click up here, I should see bread sales number 2. Now watch. Do you see I can look at different parts of the spreadsheet? Okay. And here I can look at different parts of the spreadsheet. So what I want you to do, in the top window here, I want you to go to the July sheet. Okay, so go to the July sheet, and I want you to put it down where I can see those totals. Okay, so you're on the July sheet, and I want to scroll down to where you can see your totals. Now, July should have a glow on it. That's how you know you're on it, okay? Now, in this sheet, I want you to, and remember, it's the same document, so it doesn't matter whether I go to sheet 1 or sheet 2, it's the same document. All right, so now in here in the bottom window, I want you to be on the Q3 sheet, and I want you to be able to see this part here. See July, August, and September. All right, and you know you're on Q3 because it is glowing. All right, so in the July worksheet, I want you to click on C30. Okay, so make sure that you've clicked in cell C30, and I want you to hold down the Shift key and click in cell G30. Okay, so I'm picking up the total for the sales, the coupons, the ingredients, the labor, and the net profit. All right, now I'm going to go Control C, which I did, and you can see the marching green ants. All right, so now I want to go to my bottom window here, and I want to click in cell K13. Okay, check your name box. Make sure you're in cell K13. All right, now hold down the Shift key and click in cell O13. Okay, O13. Now right click, and go to Paste Special. Okay, Paste Special, and you want to paste links. Okay, so do you see the button that says Paste Link? Click on it. All right, and you should see all of your data transferred over, and it's linked, meaning that every time the July sheet changes, so will your summary report or your Q3 report. All right, so now let's try to do it again. Okay, so this time go up to the August sheet in the top window. So go to the top window, go to the August sheet. All right, scroll down so that you can see the totals. All right, now what we want to do is we want to click in cell C30, hold down your Shift key, and click in cell G30. All right, now go Control C to copy. All right, so this time go back to the Q3 sheet, click in cell K14. All right, make sure you're in cell K14, and we want to right click, and hold down your Shift key and click here. Now right click and go to Paste Special. All right, go to Paste Special, and we want to say Paste Link. All right, and there you pasted your link. You picked up everything from August. All right, so now one more time, let's go to September. In the top half, scroll down so you can see the totals. All right, so we want to click in cell C30, hold down your Shift key, and click in cell G30. Go Control C, and now go to Q3 in the bottom half of the window. Click on September, hold down your Shift key, and click in O15. All right, and you're going to right click, go to Paste Special, and you're going to choose Paste Link. So very easily, you have now linked July, August, and September to your Q3 sheet. And now click in K17 and put in equals sum. All right, open your parentheses and highlight your 3 values and press enter, and there's your sum. Now grab your fill handle and drag across, and you've got all your totals. So everything is now linked. All right, I've only got less than half a minute to go. So what I want you to do is I'm going to go to the July sheet. Actually, no, I'm going to stop here, and then I'll do a second video to continue on. So we'll stop here right now. Go Control S to save and stop.